Hello everyone, my name is Brandon Nguyen, and I would like to present the mission overview of Ailurus Industries. So, before we begin, I want to set up the basis of what we're going to use in our mission. So the very first thing I want to introduce is the modules, the wall climber, and the pole climber. First, the modules have to autonomously assemble themselves to merge into a platform. Then we can move on to the next stage, in which we can manually attach the modules to the wall climber. The wall climber with the modules then climb a surface that resembles a wall in order to retrieve the hidden artifact. Then, after climbing to the very top of the wall to retrieve the hidden artifacts, the wall climber must then bring the hidden artifact down. The first stage is complete. However, before moving on to the next stage, the modules then have to disassemble and reconfigure itself. Here, the modules will have to reconfigure themselves into a different formation than before. This stage is complete. We can finally move on to the final stage. We can then attach the modules to the pole climber along with the object, which is the hidden artifact. The pole climber will then climb a surface that resembles a pole, and at the very top, the hidden artifact has to be placed on top of the surface that resembles a pole. And to complete the mission, the pole climber has to ascend down, and everything has to be attached to each other. So that includes the pole climber and the modules, which have to autonomously disassemble.
I'm the project manager of Ailurus Industries, and as a project manager, I have a few responsibilities. For one, I oversaw the splitting of our main project into 3 groups that are working on individual components. This is turning the Silver Dog project into modular, pole climbing, and wall climbing. And we also have articulation as an accessory to modular. In determining the breakdown of our team, it was very important for me to consider both coordinating meetings and also team norms. Along with the sides of meeting coordination, I had to determine if we require extra time outside of class or extra meetings in order to rehearse or repair components that we need for our mission. Additionally, it's important for me to check in with individual members and teams to make sure that they are meeting the deadlines that I've outlined on things such as the Gantt chart. I often use Gantt charts that outline progress for different groups in order to visualize the workflow that we need to follow in order to complete our task. Given this Gantt chart and changing it with each new critical design review that we have to go through helps me maintain a good work balance for all members of Ailurus Industries, while also accounting for any delays that we might have in terms of extra complications, in terms of our parts ordering, or if there's any more things that we have to consider in our design process. Aside from the Gantt chart, I also have to look at how our team interacts with each other, and this is the team part. It's very important to make sure that all members are by making an inclusive and open community within Ailurus Industries. I am able to make sure that our teams are able to contribute the most that they are able to do, and that we are able to have overall a working, successful project that can meet the needs of our contractor. I also carry this out through something known as Intermediate Performance Tasks, or IPTs. These reviews are used with either within our company, within teams, or even with our contractor to make sure that we are meeting the deliverables and criteria set in our design proposal or review given to us. In order to meet these criteria, it's very important for me to really understand the needs of each team I'm working with, and then from there, judge how I structure their time and how I structure our budget.
To complete this SPS well, we're all confident, we all know how to present, we've all practiced multiple times, and we're all working together, we all know each other. So this SPS is gonna go great. The main things you guys have to remember is when they're asking us questions, they're not trying to insult us or make fun of us or just poke holes in our whole argument. They're just trying to help us figure out new things to research. So it's okay to say, I don't know what to do. We're going to look into that. That's a valid question. So we're all going to do great. You guys, if you aren't sure of your lines, just keep going and you'll find it along the way. The people in the audience aren't here to judge you and you'll be completely fine. It's kind of hard to keep the line up right now, but we're all good to go. Thank you guys. You're going to be amazing.
Don't forget the smile.
Hello, my name is Adrian Rodriguez and I'm the Chief Financial Officer at Ailurus Industries. My responsibilities include organizing and running fundraisers.
3, 2, 1, go.
Additionally, I handle purchase order forms, oversee budgeting processes, analyze financial reports, and provide strategic financial guidance to support the company's growth and operational efficiency.
Hi, my name is Brandon Stevens and I'm the Chief Scientist of our project. My job is to make sure that our self-assembling modules can be built and assembled as expected by the design requirements. Our goal in this project is to make a self-assembling robot that can climb walls and also climb a pole. My job personally is to make sure that they are designed well and designed to spec, so that when we build them, it'll be easy to assemble exactly as expected. Additionally, I manage the team that assembles these self-assembling robots to make sure that they're temperature tolerant and that they will work exactly as expected. Additionally, I also have a programming team to make sure that design aspects of the robot will work exactly as expected in programming as well.
Hello, my name is Kyle Hung, and I'm the Director of Systems for Ailurus Industries. So systems is probably one of the most fluid roles within Ailurus Industries, as we have many different roles that we have to fill within the team. So our main job is, just like as our modules make up different components for our main robot, our different teams must come together and integrate to form the main part of our team. So systems' job is to make sure that everyone's parts work together and are together. So because this is products ever made in EDD with different parts such as our main modules, our wall climber, our pole climber, etc., we need to make sure that all these parts work together. That's the job of the system. So different examples of things that we do.
Okay, off the wall.
Components that need to be made so that the different subteams can make them themselves, as well as making tests and necessary procedures so that people can make sure that all these requirements are met.
Hello, my name is Ryan. I'm also part of Systems, where we also work on our concept of operations, also known as our CONOPS. It's actually here that we include information regarding the project proposal, our design, and what we actually propose that our design will actually do too. For example, our CONOPS also includes our stakeholder agreement, which is basically what we agree to do for the project and what we will accomplish. Also, the project includes what it wants us to do, including information such as the environment regulation, high-level system concept, and other high-level system requirements too. Lastly, our CONOPS have our validation criteria, which is our most important criteria, which goes over whether it is accomplished by the variable.
Hi, I'm Brian. I'm the risk safety management officer here at Ailurus Industries. Looking at the project creating testing procedures for the module to test throughout the whole year, and then we assess any risks that could result from those tests.
Ran out of battery. I'm recording right now, by the way. There's like, oh wait, can you record like in like a few seconds?
Might be membership person optimized. So I tested to make sure their module can
Within the
mount
past week,
the
we've
pole
been
and scale
finally
it.
able to finalize.
I
the
tested
modules.
their
This
max
involves
weight
putting the
carrying
electrical
capacity
together,
as well
actually
as their
connecting the
maximum
CPU
magnet
threads,
force, how much it
and
can withstand.
yesterday we
Right now,
got
I'm working with the wall climbing module to test the efficiency of their robot to climb over mirrors and windows. We have gone through several prototypes with the wheels and different chassis. But I'm confident we are going to do good the day of the challenge.
Hello, my name is Dylan Brennan, and I serve as a test engineer at Ailurus Industries. As part of my role, I meticulously test the code for the project, from conception to completion, ensuring that our testing procedures encompass a wide range of tests, including mechanical and electrical.
Hello, my name is Brianna Adewimbi, and I'm the Director of Programming for Ailurus Industries. So as the Director of Programming, one of the main things we need to do is make sure the modules can self-assemble. The way we do this is using a technology called ultra-wideband, also known as So the way this technology works is that 4 beacons are placed in order, a square around the playing field. And using these beacons, the modules, which each have their own ultra-wideband chip, are able to locate their position relative to these other beacons, and thus we're able to find the coordinates of each module in the playing field. Using these coordinates, which basically is a way to localize our modules, we're able to then autonomously use the modules to drive towards each other and self-assemble. Ultra-wideband is at the core of our project, and so we've also tasked our intern team with helping place the beacons around the playing field in exactly 14 foot by 14 feet.
Hi, my name is Joy Shin, and I'm the electrical director of Ailurus Industries. In EDD, I've mainly spent my time in the pole climber team, where I was part of the entire process, which was brainstorming, designing, prototyping, assembling, and
Alright, that's good.
testing
Connect.
as well.
Lights off.
Our design was mainly inspired by a Lego robot
You got it, Brandon?
from
Yeah.
a YouTube
I'll just-
engineer, where pretty
Yeah.
much the main concept is the robot is imbalanced, where there's a heavier side and a lighter side, and the lighter side is pretty much climbing up the pole so that it counts for the pole in diameter. And throughout the entire year, we experienced a lot of troubleshooting, but
it good?
we were through those experiences,
That's good.
product, and I'm really grateful for this experience. As for our electrical team, our members worked separately.
Where did Brianna thing go?
Just receive advice throughout our iteration processes.
My name is Alex Garcia Takata, and I am Manufacturing Director for Ailurus Industries. This year, my team and I have developed our CAD and CAM skills using 3D printers to create lightweight models. One used to the right side of the array. They have the we also tested the effect of different infill percentages. For our pole climber module, we used two different infills, 30% and 10%, to create imbalance to help climb the pole. During our build season, our members stayed busy collaborating with the rest of our team to manage our weight and the overall strength of our rope.
Hello, my name is Catherine Newsman, and I'm Elisa Torres, and we're co-directors of publications. Here in the publications department, we mostly work on the documents, such as the concept and the performance specification, and which reports all of the data that we have from all of our different sub-teams into one coherent document. And we also assist with making the slideshows for the presentations that we do to assist those documents, along with helping with formatting for the engineering notebook and for the technical data.
Hello, my name is Luke Chavez-Avila, and I am the Director of Interns at Ailurus Industries. Ailurus Industries has an internship program that aims to foster underclassmen's intellectual leadership, communication, and presentation skills and prepare them for the professional industry environment. I was responsible for interviewing, selecting, and managing the team's internship program. As the project manager of the interns, I also coordinated meetings, delegated assignments, set deadlines, and evaluated performances. In supporting Ailurus Industries' overall mission, interns were assigned Project Shepherd, which aimed to support ultra-wideband localization, a technique that uses ultra-wideband to allow modular components to determine their position in relation to other modular components. Interns will need to use the ESP32 microcontroller and place the wideband to form a 14 by 14 square that can transmit a signal to each other component within the perimeter. The ultra-wideband modules will need to be powered for over 10 minutes to support the assembly of the modular robot.
Hi, my name is Jason Diaz. I'm lead designer here for Wall Climber here at Ailurus Industries. And then I'll be explaining a few things about our robot. So first of all, our robot works as both vacuum and produced by
Chris, take over! Chris, take over!
Which is at the moment hooked up to a 4S battery or DS battery or series, so we're working with 7S components, providing us enough power to be able to hold a robot on the wall, especially with the added weight of the modules. Additionally, we're using servos in order to provide the needed torque to drive our 120mm wheels. Thank you.